So Pearl, today we're going to talk about Doodle Dollars. How do you get them? What do you do with them? Tell me what you know.
Sure. Let's start with what they are.
Okay.
They are our reward point system for our customers who shop with us. And you get them primarily by shopping online with us. And I say online because they are automatically applied to your online account, and that is where they accumulate. That's where they get stored.
Okay.
If you place a phone order, you can still get them, but you'll need to ask for them. They don't automatically apply to phone orders.
Right.
So what they are is about it's actually exactly a 5% back on everything that you purchase.
Everything?
Well, that's a good point. Closeout items don't apply, and
Okay.
occasionally there'll be another exception, if a manufacturer asks us not to apply that.
But
by and large,
currently I don't think anyone
I don't think so.
We had in the past.
Yep.
Right now, everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah, everything.
So by and large, unless it's a closeout item or a damaged sell item,
Right.
you will get that 5%. So if you ordered, say, a Kindergarten Elite, that's $39
Wow.
that you have already in your account because you ordered.
Okay. What do you do with them?
That's a great question. So you redeem them by going to your account, selecting how many you want to redeem, and there's a little button, redeem, and then it gives you a gift certificate code. And you can apply that to your next order or any order. And basically it just works like any other gift certificate.
Right.
You can buy anything you want with it once you've added that to your account.
I've seen a whole bunch of people in the last month or so, because it's back to school time, where they have used their Doodle Dollars because they forgot something.
Sure.
So they think they've got everything they need, and I wish I had 2 of those, or I wish I'd gotten this instead, or on top of, or whatever.
Exactly.
And so then they'll come in, they'll use the Doodle Dollars, it'll cover the item, and it covers the shipping. It's like getting something free in the mail.
Yeah.
So they really are a cool way to get free stuff.
It's a great thing. If you bought the curriculum you can afford, and now a little ways down the line, you want to add something fun, something
Right.
new. It's a perfect way to do that.
Exactly. Or save them all up and do it at Christmas.
Oh yeah.
All right, anything else we should know?
I think that basically covers it. You know what I did forget? I forgot that you can earn Doodle Dollars for writing a review for us. So depending on which item you're reviewing and whether you want to add a picture to the review, you can earn anywhere between 20 and 100 Doodle Dollar points, which would be the equivalent of $1 to $5 for each review you write.
Wow. But now there are some restrictions on that one.
There
right?
are lots of details, but you can find them all on our site as to which items earn which amount of points and why.
But if you love to write, that's a great way.
There you
to earn
go.
some. Yeah. All right. Anything else?
That's it.
All right. Sounds great. Thank you. If you have any questions, don't forget to email us at
mail@timberdoodle.com.